Well, it looks like I got some more major cleanup. Those trees back here have died, and this half section of us fell off, and this big as a tree. All tangled up and wrapped around the tree, basically. Gonna be a lot of work. Well, this is a big, dangerous tree that I gotta try to take down. I'm not crazy about doing this stuff anymore, but it has to be done. It's all hung up into the branches. It's a big one, about 65 feet tall. All broke off, and the other one's going to come down sooner or later. But this is going to be a mess, trying to get this cleaned up. Yes, a mess. Not sure how this is going to work. It's just going to break the end off or the whole thing come down. I got no idea. Well, I'm going to try again. It's hung up in the walnut tree, which it broke off 2 or 3 limbs of that, and hung up in between these trees over here on the fence. Now all I know is cut it in different places and hope I can snap it in two, because it don't want to move. I could keep it breaking. Where'd that go? Just my luck. I get this far. This saw wants to quit running.